Good day everyone. In today's video we are going to attempt to calculate the size of angle Y as we have it on the screen right now, and we need the knowledge of alternate angles to be able to address this problem. And we need to know what parallel lines are. Two lines are said to be parallel if they maintain the same distance apart and they never intersect at any point. And we need a transversal line. A transversal line is a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points. So the red lines are parallel lines and the blue line is the transversal line. So what are alternate angles? Alternate angles are angles that occurs on opposite side of a transversal line. Here we have an angle here, theta, and this angle here, theta. So these two angles are alternate angles. How can we identify them? Very easy. All you need to do is just to join the two parallel lines together. Watch out for my green ink. Alright, I have this, that's my green ink. I'm joining the two parallel lines together. Then I'm going to switch to the left at the top to cover for theta at the top, and at the bottom here I'll switch to my right to cover for theta at the bottom. Now let me trace it out. Zoom, 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 and here we go. And that's why I call the alternate angles the Z angle, and I have this to be equal to this. Now let's go back to the question. Well, let's identify this we have two transversal line here. We have this line and we have this line. Now we want to cover for 130 degrees, so I am going to focus on only this transversal line. And here we go. I'm joining the two parallel lines together. Now I'm turning to my left to cover for this 130 degrees. Good. And I'm turning to my right here to cover for Y degree. Oh, but I have two angles here. Yes, I can label this as A. Good. So I can say small letter A plus Y is equals to 130 degrees. So the sum of A and Y is equal to 130 degrees. Alternate angles are equal. But I can actually solve for Y since I don't know my A. So how can I solve for A? Okay, that's very easy. Just follow my blue line. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll need this transversal line here. Okay, yes, my blue line. Good. Yes, my blue line again. Good. So I want to trace out my blue lines, my two blue lines. Here we have it. So I have my angle A here now. This is angle A, okay, and this is 40 degrees. All right, so these are vertically opposite angles. Yeah, vertically opposite angles are equal. So A is equal to 40 degrees. So therefore 40 plus Y is equals to 130. So what is Y? Y is 130 minus 40, and that is going to give us what? Y is 90 degrees. Here is the second example. Our parallel lines are obvious. This is one of them, and this is the second one. Okay, so the arrow sign is a clear indication that these two lines are parallel. Alright, we need to identify our alternate angles by attempting to draw Z. Okay, we can just do this. Let me extend this backward. Okay, let me extend this backward. Okay, good. That's a parallel line. Then let's now join these two lines together via the transversal line. Good. So I want to cover for 71, so I will turn right. Good. And I want to cover for Y, so I will turn left. Oh, just like the first one we did, two angles we had up to give 71. So let's write B here. So B plus Y, the sum of B and Y we equal 71. Alternate angles are equal. Okay, but we need to find B. How are we going to do that? Okay, we have a right angled triangle here. Okay, good. I'm tracing that out with my red ink. Just follow my red ink, guys. Alright, good. So the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So with this we can calculate for y. So we can calculate for b rather. So that's b plus 49 plus 90. This is 90 degrees. Alright. So plus 90 is equals to 180. So b plus 139 is equals to 180 degrees. So what's b now? So subtract 139 from both sides. We have 180 minus 139, and b is going to give us what? 41 degrees. So we can now substitute b equals to 41 here. So let's put b equals to 41 here. So this 41 plus y is equals to 71. So y is equals to 71 minus 41. I'll subtract 41 from both sides of the equation. Then y is giving us 30 degrees. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.